Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TSI 265 PS engine with automatic transmission and 4Motion all-wheel drive. It's finished in the Urano grey paintwork with Black Edition styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch York alloy wheels, to the front the IQ.LIGHT HD matrix headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Tiguan include a set of roof rails, rear tinted windows for passenger privacy, and keyless entry. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen, and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you find the interior to be fitted with a stylish leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. Moving into the cabin, you find your active climate seats for power adjustment and massage function, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders, and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel, you find your automatic gear stick. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of driving modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can access your front seats massage function. You can also customise your speakers equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heating and cooling functionality for your front seats. This Tiguan comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.